Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. So in this session we're going to discuss how to do multiplication of integers. So for the integers. So first case, so multiply 10 into 100, that will be equal to, so first what we have to do is first two numbers 1 into 1 you have to multiply. So 1 into 1, that is 1. Then what is the remaining zeros? Here 1 0 is there. So here 1 0 is there. Here 2, 3. So 3 zeros are there. So just add 3 zeros. So 10 into 100 will be 1000. So our first case is that one. So both numbers are positive. Then resultant will be, so if you multiply in positive number, then we are getting positive number only, positive resultant. Then our second case, so we'll give one more example for this. So 20 into 30. So 20 into 30 will be, first we have to multiply 2 into 3, that is 6. Then how many zeros are there? 1, 2 zeros are there. Just add 2 zeros here. So this is also positive resultant. Then our second one is, we are going to multiply with the minus 10 into 50. So here first one is negative, next one is positive. So here first one, here whatever is minus into minus plus or whatever it is there, first you have to multiply 1 into 5, that is 5. Then how many zeros? 2 zeros. Just add 2 zeros. So here first case is negative number, next one is positive number. Then resultant will be, so minus into plus. Minus into plus means, that is here minus into plus will be equal to plus. So minus into plus will be always negative. So in multiplication both signs are same, then it is positive. So both signs same. So here both signs are different. Both signs are different. Then here we'll see what is the resultant for this, minus 500. Then we'll see another third case is, so first one, let's write 100 into minus 30. So 100 into minus 30, here positive. So what we have to do is 1 into 3, first we have to multiply, that is 1 3 is a 3. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. Just add 3 zeros like that. So 1 into 3, that is, so here minus into plus. So what is the result is positive into negative. Here we will get minus. Why? Because both signs are opposite. If both signs are opposite, then we'll get negative resultant. Then fourth case is, we'll just write 15 into 200 minus 15 into minus 200. Sorry for that. So here first what we have to do is, 15 is there, just multiply 15 with the 2. 15 into 2 is 15 2s are 30. Then what is the remaining zeros? 2 zeros. Then here we'll get obviously plus. Why? Because both signs are same. Negative into negative will get always positive. Why? Because both signs are same. So here positive. So finally what we can conclude, that therefore signs are positive into positive, that will be always positive. Negative into negative, that is always positive. Then plus minus into plus will be equal to always minus. Plus into minus will be always minus. If both signs are different, negative finally. If both signs are same, then it will come positive in multiplication. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.